high stress situation. Whoa! Where were you going?
You cannot tell me that this driver did not do that on purpose. He had absolutely nowhere to go. 100%, I feel like he cut him off intentionally. What do you guys think?
Okay, that's your opinion. 100% he thinks that. I think he was just kind of trying to bully his way to stop right here because he wouldn't be able to make it, if that makes sense. I feel like he was bullying his way to get to that spot, like I'm in front, which is kind of, I don't think he was looking, so I don't think he anticipated a car, which is pretty wide to get through here. But if you're switching lanes, you need to check your mirrors. It's as simple as that. Simple as that. We dumped the bike here. Still sucks.
You cannot tell me that this driver did not do that.
He did do it on purpose. I agree.
100%, I feel like he cut him off intentionally.
So let's go through kind of like an active listening thing, because this is part of the mentorship right here. So let's listen to Chaos Riders first.
You cannot tell me that this driver did not do that on purpose.
I can tell you that, but I'm not going to, because I agree with you. I truly believe the driver went into that spot on purpose. He had absolutely nowhere to go, 100%. I absolutely agree with you, Chaos Riders.
Absolutely nowhere to go. 100%, I feel like he cut him off intentionally.
I feel like he cut him off intentionally. Okay, so this is where it's like, cool, you feel that. I don't feel that. I disagree with you. I think he was trying to get into that spot. I don't think he meant to do it intentionally. I don't think he meant to hurt somebody or to cut off a motorcyclist intentionally. I think that was unintentional. I think that was an accident. I do agree that he was trying to get into that spot, move into there. He did it with a purpose, but I don't think he wanted an accident. So I agree with him on this. I don't agree with him on this. But overall, now what do we do, right? So if I was talking to Chaos Riders at this point, if you're talking to like another rider or somebody that you're mentoring, it's like, okay, so now that we are kind of situated there, at the end of the day, we have a rider on the ground. We have a rider on the ground, so now what do we do? So we hopefully can rescue them. Hopefully we can, check out their bike, help them up, get them on the side of the road, make sure that they're safe. If they need advice, they're like, hey man, I don't know what to do now. It's like, hey, I know about insurance. I know, let's do a claim. Let's call police. Let's just get this going, because there's a process to it. And this is where you can help somebody out that's in an emergency situation, if that makes sense. Because that's the next goal. The goal isn't to find who's at blame, because that's not our goal. Our goal is to protect, basically our lives, and to help out other people with information. Let the cops deal with this. And if the cops don't want to deal with this, hopefully you had something that, can help you, save the rest of your investment, which is your bike and yourself, and you have insurance.
What do you guys think?
Learn from the video, not blame. Exactly. Motoring the Galaxy. 20P, that's his name. What do we have here? Look at the road surface. We have a turn coming up ahead. Okay, slow it. No, we can go this fast. That's fine. Oh, we got somebody slowing down. Find an escape, find an escape, find an escape. We found an escape. Oh, no. He went off road.
Bro.
Get back on your side, though.
Fast and just...
Oh, no. Don't hit a gate. Don't hit a gate.
Bro.
He saved it. Very good. Very good. All right, let's take a look at this one. Fat and Furious. I didn't say it. He said it. Oh, no. Full gear. Look at, he's sliding. He's sliding. Was he trapped underneath, or was he on top? What's up, Bam Bam Bam? Oh, that thing is
the rider
donezo.
was in full gear, so he did end up being okay. But unfortunately, there was some cops nearby that saw the whole thing go down.
Cop saw it. Cop saw it. He was just waiting. He was just waiting. That thing is oil on the road now.
He's good.
Let's go back just a little bit. I want to see if he was sliding. Underneath or on top. So that right there, we have the collapse onto his left leg. So we're talking about mechanism of injury a little bit right here. Okay, maybe his leg was... Oh, now it's underneath. I think he was just sliding with it, side by side, and the oil helped him slide on the asphalt. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oil would have probably... Honestly, the oil would have helped when it came to road rash. because now he's sliding on top of a lubricant versus grading across asphalt. So yeah, you'll just have to wash your gear or throw it out, but you're not going to have the thermal transfer. You might have some burns because of the hot oil, but you're not going to have like tearing off flesh. That's kind of a good thing. All right, here, rain. Rain, guys, what kind of hazards do we have? What kind of hazards do we have? Oh, no, slow speed maneuvers. Straighten up the handlebars before you apply the brakes. But one good thing about this situation is he's got crash guards. Very good. So hopefully it's going to protect it. Going pretty fast here. At least that's what it looks like. A little bit of motion blur. Dylan with Dylan. Interesting name. Having some fun. Wear some gear, guys. Come on, get some gloves.
Move.
Get gloves.
Whoa.
Oh.
Into the grass.
He's just having fun. He's just having fun. Don't worry about him. Oh, did he crash? Okay, maybe worry about him a little
The
bit.
good thing is that he was lucky enough to land on some grass, and
my
his bike
gosh.
did not sustain too many damages.
You good? Like we're all right? No blood, no broken bones, none of that stuff?
Oh, collarbone. Guarding that. His clavicle.
I think so.
You're good? All right.
I'm gonna ride anymore today.
I don't think I'm gonna ride anymore today. Yeah, after that you're kind of done. All right, let's take a look and see what happened.
That auto.
So going around the corner. I went a little too fast. A little too fast in the corner, guys. Make sure we do some slow look, press, and roll. Okay.
Whoa! Off into the.
Thankfully, he's able to keep it up like that. But wear some gear.
Like we're all right? No blood, no broken bones, none of that stuff?
He's checking. He's guarding that. Hopefully, it's a very small fracture. If it is a fracture, one thing you can tell when somebody does have like a clavicle break is like their shoulders are supposed to be like equal, right? And all of a sudden it's like this because the weight of the arm will actually pull it down. And they'll tell you.
You're
They'll
good?
be like, "Ow."
All right.
I'm gonna ride anymore today.
All right, Ninja Bubble, here we go. We got wet roads, so we have some issues when it comes to traction. We got a side of the vehicle right there. I wonder if his bike has the little trigger for the high beams. Does your bike have a trigger for the high beams? So you're holding like this, and there's like a little trigger part. Write in the comments. Moto617. Oh, we got a little cut off. Hey, they had to swerve out of the way. You saw that?
All over the road.
Wait, I thought they had to swerve because of this car. No, they're just a little panicked. They're just terrible driver. Never mind. Keep moving.
As you guys notice, this car is.
How you doing, Cryo Wolf? How you doing?
If they're on the phone, just distracted, or what's going on here. But they continue to do this for another mile up the road.
Okay, so if they're going to continue doing this, give them a nice space cushion. Give them a space cushion in front of you to allow yourself to make adjustments if you need to. So that space cushion will buy you time to either swerve, emergency brake, any of that stuff. Don't try to pass, especially after you tried twice. It's not like, oh, there's an opportunity, I'll try it again. No, this person's just all over the road. It's unpredictable. You're starting to think maybe they're doing this on purpose, whatever it is. They could be doing it on purpose, or they're just, on drugs. Don't want to deal with it. Let them be in front.
The rider was finally able to pass, and this is what he saw.
I was talking on the single lane road, but anyways. Oh, see, look. Oh, snap. Smoking it up. I think. Now we're in the blind spot. Yeah, a little intoxicated. A little driving while influenced.
I'll be on camera.
Got you. Whoa, doggo. Dog was driving. They just switched seats.
What the is your problem?
Oh, she doesn't
Obviously
care.
could care less.
Yeah,
This
she doesn't
piss you
care.
off? Well, I sure pissed off this rider.
Ah. Come on, guys. We're in control of our emotions. If you're going to do it, go from the top. Because if you do the side by side, they bend. Go from the top. How you doing, Rob?
Going the speed limit next to a cop is probably a good idea.
Yeah, it is.
And stop this cop from trying to pull them over.
Why? I see staggered. We're not sharing the lane. We're doing the speed limit. Unless the tags. We're passing. We just went up 10 miles an hour. You can't pass. I'm sure they're gonna get him for speeding. I'm guessing. Write in the comments what you think. You can't pass and go above the speed limit. Yeah. We're going 80. Unless 80 is, 75, 80 is the speed limit. Going 80. It's usually speed. And there's nothing that says that you have to be in the same lane as your buddy. You guys can get your own lanes. Like this right here, you can do that. It's just like having two vehicles on the road. Okay, let's see what happens. I was kidding about hitting. Oh. Okay. More than likely, the cop ran the tags, ran the license. Right? And I've been watching like some videos on YouTube like that are like basically cops. You know, I've been watching like, traffic stops and there's some things that I have learned recently. Write in the comments if I'm wrong on this, but there's some tech out there that they have cameras on these cop cars that just they're constantly scanning and like reading people's license plates, and once something pops up that says it's like stolen or revoked or whatever, it puts it right there, and the cop knows exactly who to pull over. I mean, I don't know. LiDAR, like that's more like speed and stuff, but this is like it's scanning stuff, and so like I'm sure he just got behind them and it scanned it. It said, "Hey, it came back. This person's license is revoked or whatever," and then he flipped the lights. Because what is the reason? And I've been seeing some of that in the cop stuff where like some people just run because they don't have their license on them. Some people run because they, for the dumbest things. They're just scared of cops, which it's not dumb. It's an insecurity. It's a fear. But this right here, switching into 132 miles per hour just because you're going to get pulled over, there is a bigger reason behind that, if that makes sense. Okay, now you look like you're hiding something, and they more than likely probably are. Some places don't have, oh geez, we're going 150. At this point, it's probably like a no chase. They're not going to chase you. Probably not going to chase you, but take a look. One thing that we can say that they did well is they got a quad lock. I don't know. Just don't do this, guys. But with that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe. Click the links in the description if you want to grab anything that we have here. Join the MTC Rider Academy, and I'll be seeing you guys later.